The NWS Storm Prediction Center has issued a severe thunderstorm watch for portions of southeast Ohio, western Pennsylvania, northern and central West Virginia. Effective this Wednesday afternoon and evening from 3:40 p.m. until 1:00 p.m. EDT. Primary threats include scattered damaging wind gusts to 65 miles per hour possible. Summary: individual cells should eventually consolidate into a couple multi-cell clusters that move southeast before turning south-southeast across the region. Damaging wind gusts will be the primary hazard.